Hi, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today's recipe is a snack called bread roll-up, and I'm doing it with 4 different stuffing. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for this roll. You need bread slices. Make sure you use white bread because brown bread tends to break a lot, so we'll not be able to roll it properly. So it's better to use white bread. I've got some butter in here, cheese, cashew nuts, mixed herbs, chili flakes, chocolate spread, strawberry jam, cinnamon powder, some regular sugar, Maida paste or all-purpose flour and water mixture, and some powdered sugar. So we'll make bread rolls 4 ways using all these ingredients. So let's start making the dish. First step that needs to be done is to remove the crust of the bread. So I've done that already. Now we'll take the bread slice and lengthwise, using a rolling pin, we will just roll it a bit. Now we'll start with the stuffing. Let's start with the stuffing number 1. For stuffing number 1, I've got sugar in here, to which I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Then add some butter. And we'll mix all of this together. Now we'll apply this to the bread. I've got really granulated sugar in here. If you have finer sugar, it will be easier. After we've spread the stuffing, we'll just start rolling the bread. Roll it lengthwise and apply this Maida paste to the ends, so that it seals properly. So that's one roll ready. We'll do the same for this one as well. Let's do stuffing number 2. For that, I've got some homemade strawberry jam in here. I'll insert the video which shows you how to make this jam. Now I've got the jam ready. Since it's strawberry season and strawberries are available in plenty, I thought I'll make some homemade strawberry jam, for which I've got 1 cup of chopped strawberries in a pan. The fire is on medium flame. I've taken almost 3/4 cup of sugar. Now the sugar you can adjust according to how sweet you want it. Up to 1 cup you can use. Once you add the strawberry and the sugar, just mix it up a little. Now we'll let this sugar melt, and the strawberry needs to cook in this sugar syrup. So leave it on medium flame and let the sugar melt. You can see the sugar started melting. Now leave it alone and let the strawberry cook in the syrup nicely so that it's soft. You can reduce the flame a little to simmer so that it slow cooks. So after 10 minutes of cooking, you can see the sugar syrup has thickened, the strawberries have softened, and the jam is ready. Now this you can use as normal jam, or you can make milkshakes and smoothies out of it. You can use a small portion of this syrup add milk or curd and make a smoothie or a milkshake. So I'm going to cool this down nicely, and then you can store it in an airtight jar. I follow the same procedure, remove the crust of the bread and then roll it with a rolling pin. Now we'll take a portion of the jam and apply it on the bread. Now we'll roll it like we did the earlier ones and use the Maida paste to close the edges. That's one ready. For the third stuffing, again I remove the crust from the bread and roll the bread using a rolling pin. I've got some finely chopped cashew nuts right in here. Now for this stuffing I'm using chocolate spread. If you don't have chocolate spread, you can just use one piece of chocolate, a few pieces of chocolate in the middle, and then put the nuts on top. So I'm applying the chocolate spread here. And then we'll top it with some cashew nuts. Let's do the same for this one as well. Now let's roll this. And close the ends using the Maida paste. So let's move on to the fourth stuffing. Again, I've got my breads here, crust removed and rolled using the rolling pin. The stuffing I've got in here, grated cheese, chili flakes and mixed herbs. If your kids don't eat chilies, you can omit the chilies and just put in the mixed herbs. Mix nicely. And then just stuff it onto the bread. Now let's roll them and seal it using the paste. Place the pan on fire and put the butter into it. I've got all the rolls ready in here, so we'll just brown all the rolls one by one. So these are the butter and sugar ones, which I'm going to place. And we'll cook them one by one. So this is brown from both sides. We'll remove them and then cook the rest of them in the same manner. So that's bread roll up for you. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. And when you subscribe, please don't forget to click the bell. Until I see you next time, it's bye-bye from me.